Welcome to our channel. Today we Amazon Fire TV Stick not working, quick solutions step by step clearly. If your Amazon Fire TV Stick is not working, don't panic. Let's troubleshoot the issue with these quick solutions. First, check the power supply. Ensure the power adapter is securely plugged into a wall outlet. Next, verify that the Fire TV Stick is firmly connected to the HDMI port on your TV. If it's loose, disconnect and reconnect it. Now, turn on your TV and select the correct HDMI input. If the Fire TV Stick still doesn't respond, try a different HDMI port on your TV. Next, restart the Fire TV Stick. Unplug it from the power source, wait for about 30 seconds, and plug it back in. While it's booting, make sure the TV is on and set to the right HDMI source. If the issue persists, check your remote control. Ensure the batteries are fresh and inserted correctly. If the remote doesn't respond, try resetting it by holding the home button for about 10 seconds. Next, check your Wi-Fi connection. Make sure your Fire TV Stick is connected to your Wi-Fi network. If you're having connectivity issues, restart your router. Unplug the router, wait for a minute, and plug it back in. Once the router is back online, return to the Fire TV Stick and check the network settings. If none of these solutions work, consider doing a factory reset. To do this, go to Settings, select My Fire TV, and choose Reset to Factory Defaults. Remember, this will erase all data and settings on your device. Finally, if you're still experiencing issues, consult Amazon's customer support for further assistance. These steps should help resolve the problem with your Amazon Fire TV Stick. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.